Software major Infosys has appointed board members B.G. Srinivas and U.B. Praveen Rao as presidents of the company, with B.G. in charge of global markets and Praveen in charge of global delivery. Company watchers are interpreting this as a two-horse race for the top job, with Praveen and B.G. as likely contenders. Chandra Shrikant joins us for more on that story. Chandra, good to have you on the show. Talk to us about these changes and the implications, really.
That's right. Crucial changes there. B.G. Srinivas and U.B. Praveen now being appointed as presidents. Now, there are a couple of ways to interpret this. Sources we've been speaking to say that this indicates that there are at least two viable internal candidates for the role of CEO once Shibulal's term ends in 2015. Others are saying perhaps Praveen has been made president to make B.G.'s transition to CEO that much easier. But the jury is still out. People are still interpreting this, but largely it's being viewed as a two-horse race now for the role of CEO. And even if you see the way they've divided the responsibilities, B.G. effectively gets control of sales, Praveen gets charge of delivery, and in terms of verticals too, they've been divided. B.G. gets more of finance, manufacturing, Lodestone, whereas Praveen gets the retail, CPG, cloud mobility, those sort of verticals. So it's clearly going to be an interesting race between these two, with U.B. Praveen Rao really emerging a dark horse now. Another important development is that Infosys has disbanded the Executive Council, which is the highest decision-making body of the company below the board. It's an interesting move because only a few months back they had actually expanded this Executive Council. But sources we've been speaking to are saying that they thought it was becoming too large and unwieldy, which is why they've decided to disband it. So clearly more and more changes happening at Infosys. Analysts will be hoping for some sort of stability and wait to see if this is the end of all the restructuring and the reorg that the company is seeing.